We're gonna try new crispy than thin sandwich cookies, Oreo pistachio flavored, and then sea salt caramel flavored.
Say what? So, pistachio is what?
These are pistachios.
It's a nut. So, basically, anyone with food allergies, like nut allergies, can't have these.
Maybe.
Like peanut butter, smell it. Ooh, smell it first.
I'm going to.
Can you smell anything?
It smells normal.
Hey guys, we're trying to make a video here. Oh, that's not unusual, right? Can you hold this for a second?
You'll be fine.
Gentlemen.
It does taste a little weird.
Weird? Weird like good or
Try
weird
it.
like pistachios?
Pistachios.
Okay, hold on, I gotta deal with something real quick. Mmm, yum. I like it a lot. So how does it taste as a cookie?
Good.
Okay. This is what I have to resort to sometimes. But looks like they've decided to quit it. Thank you. Alright. So as a whole cookie. How's that going?
Pretty good.
Okay. Are you ready to move on?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Do you think these would taste better with milk?
Maybe.
Oh, there's no fancy design on it.
No.
That's okay, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now, these are called what? Salted caramel.
Sea salt caramel.
Mmm. Smell it?
It doesn't smell normal. You smell it.
No fancy design. Okay, I'm gonna smell it. Ooh, it smells like a candle.
It smells really good.
Uh-huh. Well,
It's really good.
so which one do you like better? Sea salt caramel or pistachio?
Sea salt caramel.
Sea salt caramel.
You want to try cookie?
Yeah, but what is it on a scale from 1 to... Do we have a scale? No, I don't want it.
What?
Don't just give me a cookie. I want the whole cookie.
Try this first.
No. I want the whole cookie. So let's say, scale from 1 to 5. Where does the sea salt caramel fall?
5.
5 being the best? Okay. Where does it fall if it's 1 through 10?
5.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
What about the pistachios? Where do they fall in 1 through 5? Hmm?
3.
Okay. So then do we even need to do 1 through 10?
I don't know.
Okay. Well, anything you want to tell your viewers?
They're good.
Thumbs way up for sea salt caramel. Mom's favorite. his pistachios. Till next time. Bye.
Bye.